Good morning. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys this week's assignments and also give you some reminders about things that are due tonight by midnight. So first of all, before I do that, I wanted to remind you guys and make sure that you all know that there are a lot of important AP exam updates available for you on collegeboard.com. And last week I posted links to collegeboard.com, particularly the test updates in light of COVID-19. And I also posted you the webinar video that I really strongly recommend that you guys check out. And that is College Board basically communicating to everybody, teachers and students, what the exam is going to look like and the details that I know a lot of you guys had questions about. So if you haven't done that, those are both on the Edsby newsfeed page for my class. So you'll want to scroll down a little bit. I posted them like toward the end of last week, so they're not really buried a whole lot. So check that out. That includes the date of the test. That includes test content, what it's going to look like for you guys. That includes the logistics as far as what kinds of devices you can take the exam on, cheating, plagiarism, and things like that. So make sure you look. Okay, reminders. Last week, the focus was on the Brene Brown TED Talk, and the first part of that assignment was that you were supposed to complete some preview questions for me on GroupMe. So make sure that you are in our GroupMe text messaging, and make sure that you copied and pasted and responded to those previewing questions. I did get a lot of those in. I hope that you kind of take a moment to look at your classmates' responses to see kind of what their trains of thought were. We had a lot of things in common when we responded to those, and it's just kind of, it's good to, know how other people are thinking and how they're feeling, and I don't know, I just find it fascinating. So if you haven't looked through some of them, you might want to do that. I'll get those grades in shortly, but they're not due till midnight tonight, so I'm not going to go in and actually check that you all completed them until probably tomorrow morning. Then of course you actually have to watch the Brene Brown TED Talk once you've done those preview questions. And like I said, that's like 20 minutes long, so it's not terribly long. And then you're going to write the rhetorical analysis introductory paragraph for an essay that responds to the prompt that I posted on the newsfeed last Monday. And one amazing, solid, insightful, interesting, Miss Wassom's gonna love it, body paragraph, analyzing and answering what the prompt is asking for. So that needs to be typed up on Google Docs, and that needs to be uploaded and shared with me. Make sure that you do enable the editing capabilities so that I can write responses and feedback. I am in the process of reading and scoring your monolingual spring break essays. A lot of you have received notification that I have given you feedback. Whenever you get that notification, make sure that you go in and actually read my feedback, because I did spend a lot of time doing that, and you'll need to take what I've given you and you'll need to apply it in all of your future writing. What I noticed as I am reading those essays is that we are having a lot of the same issues, which makes my job easy because I'm just going to knock all of those issues out with all of you through Khan Academy. So that brings me to this week. This week, you are going to do some assignments on Khan Academy that deal with the biggest weaknesses that I noticed in your monolingual essays. Those are things like reviewing the different types of sentences, knowing how to avoid fragments and run-ons, knowing how to fix those things, pronoun clarity. Some of you are using pronouns like they, he, and I'm not really sure who you're referring to. So we need to work on that in our writing, and parallel structure, things like that. So I have gone on and I have put all of those assignments for you into Khan Academy, but we haven't done anything with Khan as a class yet. So the first thing that you need to do is actually go in there, add my class. I am posting the code on the Edsby newsfeed for my class, so you can access it there, and then you will be able to do them. Those assignments are going to be due next Monday, which is April 13th at midnight. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions or need anything, as always, please reach out. I miss you guys, and I hope that you and your family are safe and doing well. Stay healthy.